So I am animating an alpha mat in Procreate Dreams, and I want to change the background color to black. How do you change your background color to anything? Well, you go over to this middle left button and you select the time slider there, and then it says background color. So you select that, you'll get a color wheel. I can slide it over to black, and you can even toggle this transparent button and get a transparent background. So that's super helpful. Then if I go over to my draw tool, my whole backstage area will fill with that background color as well. So now I can just start my animation. I hope this helped you guys.